front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Emergency contacts are contacts chosen by you that will be accessible from lock screen in case of an emergency. And I would recommend adding them just in case. If you want to do it using only Apple settings, no special apps or tricks, here's how. First, open settings and scroll all the way down right away. Second, tap on Emergency SOS, and when you're ready, scroll all the way down again. And then tap on Set up Emergency Contacts in Health. And before doing anything, make sure that this switcher next to Show Unlocked is green. Thanks to this feature, your contacts will be accessible without entering your login method. Now scroll, and personally I would recommend to input all of those informations, just in case, as I said before. But to continue adding your emergency numbers, click Add next to Emergency Contacts under Allergies. Then hit Add Emergency Contact and tap on the one you wish to set up. Then pick Relationship Status and do exactly the same with all the other contacts you need. When you're done adding all of your contacts, click on this check mark at the top right corner. And if you ever decide to edit your contact list, click on Edit right next to Emergency Contacts. And to delete any of them, use Remove button on the left. Then tap on Delete on the right and tap on the check mark to confirm your choice. Either way, with your emergency contacts ready, we can finally check them out. To do it on your iPhone, switch off your screen and turn it back on. Then swipe up, tap on Emergency at the bottom left corner. Hit Medical ID also at the bottom left corner. And as you can see, emergency contacts are over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!